Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Supabase to Antigravity. First, open Supabase in your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. A menu will appear. From that menu, select Account Preferences. After opening Account Preferences, find the section called Access Token. Click on it. Here you will see an option to create a new token. Click on Create New Token and give it a name so you can recognize it later. After naming it, generate the token and keep it ready because you may need it in the next steps. Now switch to Antigravity. Once you are inside, look at the right sidebar where the Agent section is visible. At the top of that section, you will see 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to open more options. From the drop-down, select MCP Server. This will open a new panel. Inside that panel, go to the search bar and type Supabase. When it appears in the results, click on it. On the left side, you will see an Install button. Click on Install. For many users, a window will pop up asking for the access token. If that happens, paste the token you created earlier in Supabase. In some cases, like mine, Antigravity may automatically detect the access token from your browser session and will not ask you to enter it manually. If that happens, there is nothing to worry about because it makes the process even easier. Once the installation is complete, Supabase and Antigravity will be successfully connected. Thanks for watching.